The camp leader saw the company leader with a slingshot. He thought it was last night's attacker. Camp leader lost control and opened fire. Company leader dodged skillfully. Sanbao angrily scolded the company leader. He locked himself inside. Soldiers rushed to understand the situation. Company leader learned Sanbao was shot. He admired the company leader more. Camp leader clarified the misunderstanding. He demoted the company leader. Aqiang was promoted to team leader. Sio Mei conspired with the deputy camp leader to escape. New Fourth Army established contact. Their actions were detected by a spy. Confidential information was leaked. The High rushed to report to Sanbao. Sanbao decided to capture the traitors. He detained the traitors. Aqiang witnessed the incident. He realized the seriousness of the situation. He made a rescue plan. Sanbao celebrated. Kangji contacted the company leader. He sent a warning. The company leader took action. Dashan returned home. He found a fight going on. He angrily confronted Sanbao. Kangji disguised as a cop. He warned the camp leader of an assassination. Rushed to the target. The noise caused confusion. Kangji opened the jail door. He subdued the guard. Dahai arrived. He found a fight in progress. The company leader was subdued. Sanbao realized the crisis. All returned to the camp. Aqiang successfully escaped.